Hi, welcome to our new session about data handling and cleaning our data when we are received from our data scientist. So let's dive in. We will use Pandas in our data handling. So we will make import Pandas as PD as usual. Then we will upload our file. This is our file here. This is our file, contains a company which have some branches all over the world and have some direct expenses, indirect expenses, and net profit. So let's read this data. We will use pd.read CSV. This is our data. We will see it through data.head, which give me the first 5 rows. In our data, some problems. We have the direct expenses, which is current integer or float. We are using also here in the same column, we are using string. We have some net profit positive and some net profit negative. So let's see what we can do in this data. So let's start with replace. We will use replace function to replace some things in our data with another thing. So let's see if we want to replace China and Brazil with CHI and BR here in the column country. Okay, we will use replace. Let's see what we will see. And we will see the head again. Look, changed Brazil to BR and China to CHI. Okay. We will use also describe. Describe is describing our data, which is count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25%, 50%, 75%, and the maximum value inside this column. But we will find also that all of this only for net profit. The remaining is not shown, which is indirect expenses and direct expenses. And the problem here is this columns is mixed. So for him, he cannot see this is a number. This is a mixed value. He cannot count. So he cannot give me these values. Okay. If I upload another file, which is this data is separated like this file, currency here and the indirect expenses here and direct expenses here. So what we will see if we make data describe, we will see 3 columns, all of them counted and mean and the standard deviation and everything. So the first problem here is that I cannot get column like this, mixed numbers and strings. So this is my first problem I need to solve to get this clear data. Okay. Another thing we can use data.info. Data.info, it will give me if some nulls or any voids inside or missing values inside my data. And here you can see I have 200 rows. He will give me none, 200, 200, 200, 200. So all of them is full data and I don't have any missing value. But you will find this is different values if there is any missing values. For example, 199, 169. So you will find there is some missing values and you need in next session we will explain exactly how we can put some values which reflects in a way these values, so it will not giving me something misleading. I want to see if there is any nulls. I will use is null. Here zeros, all of them zeros, which perfect for me for the data. This is very important step, you need to check any data you will get if there is any missing values. Okay, I want to check what is unique data I have. I will use the function unique. This is the unique data I have in country. So I have Brazil, UAE, China, blah blah blah. This is my unique values. If there is any duplicated values, he will not get. He will give me the unique data only. Here in currency, this is my currencies. Okay. So currently we want to make lowercase any currency. Okay, we will make a function for that, which is define replacement. Replacement, it will take one input, which is s, and I will put s in a loop for I, and I will make the range the length of s. If s is not none, which is check if there is none, so it will return s dot lower, otherwise it will return else. Okay, so by checking this, how I can put this for any column I need, I will make apply. So I will make it for currency, so data currency equal data currency dot apply, then I will put replacement, which is this function. Then I will see what is the new currency. The new currency is this. Okay, so it's changed all S to all the new the currencies to new currencies, which is all lowercase. I will make another one, which is profit checker. I will add another column here, which will check the profit if it's profitable or not. Okay, if the branch is profitable, which is bigger than 0 or not. We will make profit checker and we'll give it s. If s net profit lower than 0, so I will put loss. If s otherwise s, it will give me profit. Okay, and I will return this. I will put axis equal 1, which is rows. So I want to check the rows. If axis equal 0, so I will check columns. I will check net profit if net profit lower than 0 or equal or higher than 0. Profit loss, profit loss, profit loss. This is loss because this is negative. This is loss because this is negative. Higher than 0, it's profit. So let's turn this to figures. We will make this code, which I will import numpy. Okay, numpy, pandas, matplotlib. I will put the company status. Okay, then I will put net profit. Okay, if it's lower than 0, it will be loss and profit. Okay, then I will make it on by plt.by. Okay, I will make the labels company status, and I will put value count dot index. I will start from 90. I think all of this has been explained before. So currently, as you see, I have this is the loss ratio, and this is our profit ratios. So I now started to convert our data to visualization. So if you need to take any decision, you understand what you are taking. Here, as you see, I can make data I will make the net profit ascending. So I will make a sorting for it. Then I will save it to sorted.csv. So let's start. So I will check here sorted.csv. CSV. So he will start, of course, because we are sorting by net profit, he will start the losses. This is a higher loss, then it's reducing, okay, and going to the higher profit in the end. In the previous videos, please check the playlist. I have a Python playlist and I have this playlist for AI Python. Thank you for watching and see you next time.